Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? OG Larry, Gtradestv, tapping in for a little weekend update. I'm gonna try to make this video pretty quick. We're gonna look at the SPY QQQ. We're gonna talk a little bit about Micron, and we're gonna check out the VIX. So I got the VIX up. Check this out. Y'all see that this VIX has a pretty nice wick on this big body green candle, and the VIX, we need the VIX. If we're trying to see a relief rally, we need this VIX to come on back down. We need this VIX to come down 24, 23, get back down here under 24.36, and hopefully back down here in this 21 area. If we can see the VIX start to come back down some, which is, if you don't know what the VIX is, it's the volatility index. It pretty much tells you how much fear there is in the market. And right now, even though it's not up to the highs here in the 30s yet, if it gets back up here, we're probably in trouble. So what we want to see is, we want to see this VIX coming down some, hopefully down. Hopefully, I'd like to see it come back down under 20. And let's check out the SPY. Of course, the market is downtrending right now. So I got the levels on the SPY that I'm gonna be watching come market open tomorrow, and those levels are this right here at 649.82 area, 652, 653, 650, I'll say 654, 656, and if we can get back over 660, we can consider a relief rally underway. Now, I'm not going to say this is going to be a trend change, because we could be trending down, but what you need to know is, when these markets are falling, you either sit out, either wait on the sidelines, or you just wait with dry powder, which is money in your pocket, to take advantage of some of these opportunities, because you can best believe, with everybody selling off, you got a lot of institutions that are just licking their chops, buying up all these dips. And I'm not going to try to call a bottom. I can kind of wait until I kind of see that the trend is about to change. But on some of these stocks, they're going to be there, and I will go shopping, because some of these stocks are going to be in incredible buy zones, because they're down relatively a huge amount. So, like I said, we got the SPY right here. If we can get back, we closed it 648. So I'm trying to see 649.82, 652, 653.22 right there, 656, and look for a nice relief bounce if we can get that. Over here on QQQ, it's the same story. Pretty much, you can see the chart. Overall, this is a daily chart, and overall, the daily chart is went down. We ended with a massive bearish candle. So, if this could be to, I don't know if the dip is over here, but like I said, after hours, we got a nice push back up. So if we can get this rally going back up on the Qs, we can get over. I'll say, okay, well, I'll go from 652 right there. 582, 583.53, 585.91, 589.43, and then 592. If we can get back up there and hit that 594 right there again, then our relief rally will be on the way. But you don't want to lose 580. We want to stay above 580 on the Qs. If we can stay above 580, then we have a chance to have a nice relief rally. And we could go sideways. It could be a lot of chop with, like I said, the war, oil, crude prices outrageous. The war is still going on, and you got a lot of macro events that are happening that are really pushing the market down. The economy is kind of jacked up right now, and I understand people being fearful of the market. The market is gambling on what's going to happen with these stocks that you invest in later on. So, and it's pure speculation. So it's times like this when those who aren't scared are going to make a lot of money, either investing in some of these good companies that are on sale, or trading these markets when you get these relief rallies. So that's the QQQs. We're looking for a bounce over to stay above 580, hopefully, and continue higher. Get back up to 585, 583, 585. At 589.50 will be telltale sign that we could be having a trend reversal. So I don't try to predict anything. I don't come on here and try to blow a lot of smoke or sell a lot of wolf tickets. Just tell you what I see and what I'm potentially going to do in these markets come next week. So that being said, let's look at MU lastly, but not leastly, because I made a lot of money on MU last week and the last few weeks actually. So if we can stay back above 400 on SMU, I think we're going to be on MU. I think we're going to be good, where we closed at 422. I'd like to see it stay above 420. And it already hit my target, I made a killing. I already hit that target at 455 target and above, went as high as 471. So I made a killing on this, and it's pulled back almost 50 points from there. And after hours, it went back to 425. So we can stay above 425 and hold this level tomorrow. Then I'm going to be looking. I'm going to put it out there right now. I'm looking for that 440 call on this MU. So keep that on your radar. Keep SPY QQQ. Keep the price action on your radar. If you want to know market sentiment, keep the VIX on your radar. Take a peek at that every now and then. Uh, if we can get this relief bounce, it's going to be our opportunity to get some of our money back, get our lick back. And be careful, be prepared, not surprised. And if you're on the sidelines waiting, that's a good position to hold. It's just waiting and see what's going to happen in these markets. Me personally, if 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 this sets up and starts to trend up, then I know where I'll be at. If not, I'll be waiting right along with you. With that being said, if you find value in this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we're gonna make this money. We're gonna try to navigate these markets in a real cool way to where we take advantage of the opportunities as they present themselves, not ones that we're trying to create. So position sizing is important. Risk management is going to be important. Let's get through this March and try to get some April. Get rid of these March gloomy days and get some April sunshine going in these markets. I'm out here, y'all.